Hey guys, and welcome back. Let's continue our challenge in Python using if condition. Okay, so to see this challenge, we will ask the user to enter a number between 10 and 20 inclusive. If they enter a number within this range, we will display message thank you, else we will display incorrect answer. So let's get started. So we will take an input from user. Don't forget to cast it to int input, enter a value between 10 and 20. Okay, our condition will be if num equal to or greater than or equal 10, and here is the condition and num less than or equal 20. Okay, and make sure that the two conditions is true. We verify it. We will display print this message thank you, else we will display print okay this message incorrect answer. Okay, let's run and see. Okay, enter a value between 10 and 20. Let's enter 30, sorry, let's enter 33. Yay, incorrect answer. Enter a value between 10 and 20. Okay, thank you. Enter a value between 10 and 20. 13. Okay, here is a problem. I think I entered string value. Okay, it's not again 13. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the first challenge in this video. We will see another one. Okay, this is another challenge. So we will ask the user to enter his favorite color. If he enters red, small or capital or capitalized, we will display the message I like red too. Else we'll display the message and don't like color, I prefer red. Okay, so let's get started. Let's comment this for now. Color. This time will be string. Enter your favorite color. Okay. If color equal to red, capital, in this case, or sorry, or color equal to red small, or color equal to red, in case we will display I like red too. Okay, so print else. Print. I don't like this color. There is a format to display the color. I prefer red. Okay, let's run and see. If I enter red, it will display I like red too. If I enter blue, example, oh, I don't like blue, I prefer red. Okay, this is the message. Okay, you enter red capital, oh, I like red too. If you enter red small, oh, I like red too. If you enter white or anything else, it will display, oh, I don't like white, I prefer red. Okay, so that's all guys for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.